So in hematology, we are going to see about blood and the cellular components which is present in the blood and its functions. So first and foremost, what is blood? So it is a fluid connective tissue. So it is a fluid connective tissue and it is a part of extracellular fluid. So in the fluid physiology, yesterday we have seen about the extracellular fluid, intracellular fluid. And this extracellular fluid includes the interstitial fluid and the intravascular fluid, that is the contents of the plasma. So now coming to the blood, it is a fluid connective tissue, which is it functions like a connective tissue, and it is the one which has been communicating with all the body cells. So that is the simple and the easiest definition of blood. So the total blood volume in the average adult is will be nearly 5 to 6 liters. Okay, so this will constitute nearly 7 to 8% of the total body weight. So this total body volume is constituting 5 to 6 liters of blood. So that is the total blood volume. So now moving on to the composition of the blood. So everything we will be seeing solids, liquids, plasma, everything. So when dealing with the composition of the blood, it includes plasma, and the cellular elements. So this plasma will further contains water molecules and the solids. Okay, solids, you have the organic substances and inorganic substances. So in the inorganic substances, it includes all the electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and so on. Chloride, bicarbonates, phosphates, sulfates. Whereas in the organic content, it is also having so many organic concentrations like glucose, amino acids, lipids, nitrogenous bases, urea, uric acid, and some internal secretions like enzymes, hormones, and also the most important, plasma proteins. Okay, so this is the simple composition of the plasma. Now coming to the cellular elements, which is the most important thing we are going to see in today's hematology class. So this includes the red blood cells, white blood cells, and the platelets. Okay, so this is the cellular composition of the blood. So basically the blood is classified into plasma and the cellular elements. So plasma includes water. It constitutes nearly 91% of water, only 9% of the solid substances. So among that 9%, the organic contents includes the plasma proteins and all other chemicals like glucose, amino acids, and the enzymes, hormones, secretions. It also includes oxygen, carbon dioxide, and the respiratory gases. Whereas the inorganic substance includes all the electrolytes which is present in our body. Okay, so this is the simple definition of the blood, and the total blood volume is 5 to 6 liters, and the composition of the blood. Okay, clear? So now when dealing with the pH, the normal pH of the blood, it is 7.4. So it means it is slightly alkaline. Okay, so this is about the simple definition and the introduction of the blood.